Sources of food. Lesson preview. About food and nutrients. The functions of food. Food variety in India. Sources of food. Food habits of animals. Food chain. About food and nutrients. Food is a substance which is eaten by all living things to provide energy and nutrition. It usually comes from plants and animals. Just as all motor vehicles need petrol or diesel to operate, so does our body need fuel to keep working. Food is the fuel that keeps our body functioning. Our body needs the right amounts of different substances present in food in order to function efficiently. These substances are called nutrients. Thus, the different substances that our body needs for growth and to carry out various body functions are called nutrients. The functions of food. There are three main functions of food. Providing energy to the body to perform various activities. Helping in growth of the body and repair of worn-out cells. Protecting the body from various diseases. Food variety in India. India is a vast country having different climatic and soil conditions. Hence, a wide variety of food grains, oilseed, pulses, vegetables, fruits, and nuts grow here. That is why we see that people in different states eat different food items. The methods of cooking also vary from region to region. The things which are used to prepare food are known as ingredients. You must have seen your mother cooking food. A basic dish such as a chapati requires only 2 ingredients, i.e. wheat flour, atta, and water. On the other hand, some dishes require a number of ingredients. When making paneer koftas, we need paneer, oil, onion, tomato, salt, and spices. Sources of food. Most of the ingredients come from plants and animals. Ingredients like fruits, vegetables, cereals such as wheat, rice, etc. come from plants. We get milk, honey, eggs, meat, etc. from animals. Water and salt are an exception to this. We get them from the earth. Thus, it is seen that both plants and animals are sources of food. We also see that some food items require only 2 ingredients, and some require a number of ingredients. Plants as source of food. Plants are the major source of food for us. Green plants are called producers, as they prepare their own food from non-living things, i.e. carbon dioxide, sunlight and water present in the environment. These plants produce more food than they need. This extra food is stored in their different parts. It is these parts that we eat to get nutrients. We eat leaves, roots, stems, fruits, seeds, and even flowers of some plants. Some plants have 2 or more edible parts: leaves, coriander, cabbage, spinach; fruits, mango, apple; flowers, cauliflower, broccoli; roots, carrot, radish; stems, potato, onion, ginger; seeds, wheat, rice, pea. Mustard seeds are used as a spice. Oil is also extracted from them. Leaves of a mustard plant are eaten as a vegetable. Spices used in cooking are also obtained from plants. Activity. Do you know that sprouting of pulses improves their nutritional value? Take some seeds of moong dal or Bengal gram, kala chana. Soak them in water overnight. Drain out the water next day. Rinse these seeds in fresh water and wrap them in wet muslin cloth. Keep aside. Observe the seeds next day. You will see a white structure coming out of the seeds. This shows that seeds have sprouted. These sprouted seeds can be eaten raw. They can also be steamed. You can add a little lemon juice and spices to them to prepare a tasty snack. Animals as source of food. Animals can be used as food directly or indirectly. We get milk, eggs, meat, and honey from animals. We get milk from cow, buffalo, goat, and camel. We get eggs from hen, duck, and quail. We get meat from goat, sheep, chicken, fish, etc. Honeybees collect nectar from flowers, convert it into honey, and store it in their hive to use as food throughout the year. We get honey from the beehives. Food habits of animals. Have you ever observed what different animals like dogs, cats, cows, buffaloes, horses, butterflies, crows, etc. eat? Different animals eat different kinds of food. They cannot prepare their own food, as plants do. They are dependent on plants for their food either directly or indirectly. Some animals eat only grass and other green plants. They are called herbivores or grass-eating animals. Cows, buffaloes, horses, camels, deer, etc. are herbivorous animals. They have sharp cutting teeth at the front and flat grinding teeth at the back of their mouths. Some animals eat the flesh of plant-eating animals. They are called carnivores. Lions, tigers, wolves, snakes, eagles, etc. are carnivorous animals. Carnivorous animals have sharp, long teeth to tear flesh, while birds have strong, pointed beaks. Snakes have small teeth which help in swallowing the food whole. Some animals eat both plants and animals. They are called omnivores. Bears, crows, dogs, cats, mouse and cockroaches are omnivores. Human beings are also omnivores. Some omnivores and carnivores mainly eat dead animals and help to keep the surroundings clean. These animals are called scavengers. Crows, jackals, hyenas, and vultures are some commonly found scavengers. Parasites are tiny animals that neither eat plants nor other animals. They depend on other living things for their food. Mosquitoes suck human or animal blood, using a long pipe-like structure, which pierces the skin. They have no teeth so they cannot eat anything. Fleas, leeches, and bugs are some other parasites which suck blood of humans and animals. Some other parasites like hookworms, roundworms, and tapeworms live inside the bodies of animals and eat their digested food. Most of the parasites are harmful to other living things as they infect their bodies and cause several types of diseases. Food chain. In a typical environment, animals are dependent on either plants or on one another to obtain their food. This interdependence of various organisms, living things, on each other in a particular environment is denoted by the food chain. Some examples of food chains are: a grasshopper eats a green plant, a frog eats the grasshopper, a snake eats the frog, and an eagle eats the snake. Grass/plant, zebra/antelope, lion/cheetah, in a grassland. Algae, small aquatic plants, small fish, large fish, in a pond/river. The above-mentioned chain of events is called a food chain. A food chain indicates how each living thing gets its food in a given environment. Did you notice that all these food chains begin with green plants? This simply means that all animals ultimately depend for their food either directly or indirectly on green plants. Due to increasing population and poverty, the poor are not able to eat food properly. This results in deficiency of nutrients in their bodies. We need to take steps to increase production of food in the country and make it available to all the people. We must not waste food.